హైదరాబాద్ ఎస్ఆర్ నగర్ ఈఎస్ఐ హాస్పిటల్ ను విజిట్ చేశారు గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్. హాస్పిటల్లో డయాలసిస్, క్యాన్సర్ పేషెంట్స్ కి ఇస్తున్న ట్రీట్మెంట్ పై ఆరా తీశారు. కొన్ని హాస్పిటల్స్ లో ఈ సేవలు నిలిపివేసినా ఇక్కడ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తుండడం సంతోషంగా ఉందన్నారు. కరోనా కష్టకాలంలో సేవలు అందిస్తున్న డాక్టర్ సేవలను కొనియాడారు. కరోనా టైంలోనూ సేవ చేస్తున్న వైద్యులను, సిబ్బందిని గవర్నర్ సన్మానించారు. డయాలసిస్ పేషెంట్స్ ను, నెఫ్రాలజీ డాక్టర్స్ ను కలిసిన తమిళిసై కంటైనర్ వైరాలజీ ల్యాబ్ ను విజిట్ చేశారు. ఈఎస్ఐ, డిఆర్డీఓ కలిసి కరోనాను ఎదుర్కొనేందుకు పరిశోధనలు చేస్తున్నాయని, కరోనాను ఎదుర్కోవడంలో ప్రపంచంలోనే భారత్ ముందుందన్నారు. అంకిత భావంతో సేవలందిస్తున్న డాక్టర్లకు దేశం సెల్యూట్ చేస్తోందన్నారు. ఈ టైంలో కరోనా లేని సాధారణ రోగులను కాపాడుకోవాలని సూచించారు. కరోనా చాలా పద్ధతులు నేర్పిందని, వైరస్ బారిన పడకుండా మన సాంప్రదాయాలను గుర్తు చేసిందన్నారు గవర్నర్. కరోనా పేషెంట్స్ కు డయాలసిస్, కీమోథెరపీ అవసరమైనా కూడా ఈఎస్ఐలో చేసే సౌకర్యాలు ఉన్నాయన్నారు డాక్టర్స్.
Universal invisible enemy against mankind. We at ESIC Medical College can be used for the well-being of the patients. And apart from that, I should appreciate all of your work. It is not an easy job to face situation like this. You are as first line warriors, you are in the field. And as a medical professional, I can admire you and I can compliment you, I can say. So I really appreciate each and everyone. And apart from that, when we visualize the situation all over the world, we are proud that India has faced this situation in a much better way than any other country in the world. That we should all be proud of. Whether it is the duty of the medical professionals, whether it is the duty of the people, whether it is the duty of the government, everyone has done their duty in the best of its kind, so that we are facing this challenging situation in spite of the crowded 130 crore population in an economically growing country. We are facing it in a much better way. And even now, when we hear the reports from all over the world, we can be very proud that we are facing and we are managing the situation in a much better way than any other country. That is because of all the dedication and commitment of the medical professionals. So only the government of India requested all the citizens to clap and all the citizens to light the lamp. And apart from that, the army saluted the warriors of the medical warriors, the medical professionals. The army saluted. So this is the proud movement each and every one of us, particularly the medical fraternity, can face in this situation. And apart from that, I should say, the country prepared itself much ahead to face this situation, and the Prime Minister had ordered the lockdown situation to knock down the virus in a much earlier stage. And even now, we can be proud of, when I read an article about when they can, each country, when they can come out from such critical situation of virus, actually they have predicted India will come out from this critical situation much earlier than any other country. Particularly what they say, because of the medical facilities, not only because of the medical facilities, but the expertise of the medical professionals, but apart from that, the commitment of each and every citizen actually faces towards this situation. So apart from that, I should say that the government of India has prepared ourselves to face this critical situation, and ESIC particularly, because I should appreciate this institution is serving 80 lakh employees. Not only this COVID situation, it is, as it is said, non-COVID patients are taken care of, particularly cancer patients and the dialysis patients. I should congratulate you because in most of the places, the non-COVID patients are not taken care of. There is a situation, there is a request from the non-COVID patients that because we are also should be taken care of. Everyone is talking about COVID, but they are leaving us. So I should appreciate this institution for taking care of the non-COVID patients also. And this ESIC, I should appreciate because as you said, this is the youngest ESIC hospital, and even though this is the youngest ESIC hospital and it has received the Best Medical College Award. So I should congratulate you, and apart from that, this virology lab, with the help of the DRDO, the mobile virology lab which has been created, really it will be much useful, and when people read message about this virology lab and the function of the SIC hospital, the people are confident that the doctor